Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone and where you're watching me from. We are on automobile conditioning tips, day 23. Bring your way by Timer Auto Global Limited. And these tips are for automobile conditioning owners, for drivers, for fleet managers, and also for trainees and automobile workshops. Compressor oil is very important in your air conditioning system. I repeat, compressor oil is very important. Compressor oil is just like blood in human body. Then why compressor is like hearts in human body? So if your heart should fail, what do you think will happen to you? You will not function again. The same thing applicable to air conditioning unit or air conditioning system. If the compressor should fail, the system will not function again. As simple as that. So in human body, you need blood to survive, right? Because that's what your heart will be pumping to different part of your body through veins. The same thing applicable to automobile air conditioning. If there is no oil in the system, the compressor will back up. If there is no refrigerant, which is gas, in that system, your automobile AC will not cool. You will not receive any cool air. You only receive warm air coming out from your AC vents. So for your system to work perfectly without any issues, you need the right quantity of refrigerant in that system. You need the right and the recommended oil in that system. So never you run your system without oil. If your automobile air conditioning system is leaking, rectify the leak. Reason being that where your refrigerant is leaking out from, the oil is also leaking out from there. And that oil is supposed to come back to lubricate your compressor and also cool it. So if you keep going around to top up refrigerant instead to locate where the refrigerant is leaking out from, you are also losing oil. And this oil is very important in your compressor. This oil is very important in your automobile air conditioning system to keep that compressor alive. So please say no to top up and always ensure that the right quantity and the recommended brand of oil is being introduced into your system anytime you're carrying out repairs, anytime you're replacing compressor. If you want that compressor to last, if you want to enjoy your air conditioning system. So that's what I have for you. Always ensure that you put manufacturer specified oil in the system. Maintain the correct quantity. Replace oil when system is flush or compressor is being changed. Anytime you flush the system, you need to replace the oil. Anytime you change your compressor, you need to replace the oil. So I want to believe that these few tips are beneficial to you. Kindly share it to benefit every other person. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more automobile conditioning tips. Thank you as we see you tomorrow. And for those of us who are having issues with your automobile conditioning, if you are within Uyo, you can stop by at our office, number 50B Nepal line. That's where our office is located. We will assess your car for you and also advise you on the way forward. Stay safe and see you tomorrow.